Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, short and sweet today because we're battling, and we've been battling over the weekly pivot. You can see the green line. That's the 20-day simple moving average. That's locked up here, and you've also got big round number 5,600. So you got three things going on. They took it down hard for 3 days. They've walked it up a little bit. Whether this is some kind of a bear flag that's going to break down, maybe go down and do 5,500, the pre-FOMC number, get the 50-day down here, or whether we're putting in a higher low yesterday versus Friday, and we're going to lift it up a little bit and test the 9-day. That's really the lay of the land for today. It's about 8:45 Eastern as I'm doing this. So you can see there's your all-time high. They've walked it down. They did not take out the high or the low rather from yesterday. They put in a higher low. We talked in yesterday's webcast about the danger of coming in, testing daily pivot, testing the hourly mid, and creating that potentially as a higher low as support. They did that. Now, what they didn't do was let them keep going after they ripped it for a few hours. This is an hourly chart. They brought it back in overnight. They tried to convert that hourly mid back to resistance. They didn't do a very good job of that. So right now, since 4 a.m., 6 a.m., it's about 8:45 Eastern as I'm doing this. We've been battling over all these big numbers. You can see the Bollinger Bands tightening up, so there's a little compression there, and that's going to result in an expansion. In which direction? That remains to be seen. If the bulls win the day here, then they've got to go after the 9-day, and when they get there, they can't be out of gas. They got to convert it and lift through. If the bears win, take out yesterday's low, preferably take out the low from Friday, and start to work on some of these prices below 55.50. So, like I said, very short, very sweet, to the point this morning. That's the lay of the land. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I will talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.